Trouble spots in your lawn have you puzzled? No problem. Finally, there's a single tool that lets you inexpensively repair bare spots in your lawn quickly and easily. It's the revolutionary Grass Stitcher, the world's first and only hand tool for fast, effective lawn repairs. No bulky power machines, no heavy sod, no messy, ineffective patch materials, no wheelbarrowing heavy topsoil. No need to remove dead lawn. The Grass Stitcher works right through dead grass, and leaving the organic material in place adds beneficial mulch and nutrients. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Perforate the trouble spot with the Grass Stitcher. 2. Spread grass seed. 3. And water the area. The Grass Stitcher. It's quick, easy, effective, and you'll love the results. Grass seed needs several conditions in order to germinate. It must be planted at the proper depth, surrounded by soil, kept moist, and covered with mulch for protection from the sun. These were the design requirements when engineering the Grass Stitcher.
I've been in the lawn care industry for over 30 years. And during that time, I've often needed to repair small lawn areas that were just too small for the big, bulky seeding machines that we have. So I used whatever tools that were available to me on the market. None of them were designed and built for repairing lawns. None of them worked very well. So I set out to invent my own. But I knew there were certain requirements that I had to meet for this tool to be successful and to work properly. Grass seed needs to be planted at the proper depth. It needs to have good soil-seed contact, meaning the seed needs to be surrounded by soil so it wouldn't dry out. It needs to be protected from the sun so the sun doesn't dry it out. The tool needs to be easy to use, and they have to be rugged and durable for years of use. After many years of research and many prototypes, I finally got it right with the Grass Stitcher. The combination of the efficient handle design and the unique patent-pending wheels solve all the requirements. And best of all, you don't need to remove the dead lawn. Just make the perforations directly through it and leave it. The dead organic lawn material acts as mulch and protects the seed from drying out, then decomposes and adds beneficial organic soil food. Finally, it's easy to make lawn repairs. Just stitch, seed, and sprinkle.
The Grass Stitcher makes the whole process simple and easy. By leveraging leg power or body weight, depending on soil stiffness, the Grass Stitcher's innovative handle design efficiently transfers the correct amount of force to penetrate the soil, so you get proper planting depth every time with minimal effort. And the Grass Stitcher is a great value. It effectively repairs damaged lawns at a fraction of the cost of other methods. Eliminate those unsightly pet urine damaged areas quickly and easily with the Grass Stitcher. The Grass Stitcher goes where other tools can't. You can stitch the edges of curbs, walks, or around sprinkler heads in a snap. The Grass Stitcher is perfect for thin lawn areas. Thicken sparse areas easily and quickly by stitching directly through remaining grass blades. The sturdy Grass Stitcher delivers a return on your investment every time you use it. This makes the Grass Stitcher much less expensive than any other method, and it works every time. So don't waste time and money on inexpensive gimmicks. Have you ever sprinkled one of those messy bag patch materials only to see some of it germinate then wither away? This happens because poor soil seed contact results in the seed drying out. Choose the method that really works every time. The Grass Stitcher for successful repairs every time. People everywhere are turning to organic lawn care to ensure a healthier environment. The Grass Stitcher is the perfect tool to create a healthy, safe, and beautiful lawn free of chemicals. Never again use chemicals to address insects and diseases in your lawn. Repair your pest or disease-damaged lawn quickly, effectively, and inexpensively with the Grass Stitcher. Want to rid your lawn of crabgrass forever? Break the crabgrass cycle with the Grass Stitcher. Just stitch, seed, and sprinkle directly through it and watch your grass overgrow that unsightly crabgrass. Plant your favorite plants, flowers, or alternative ground cover. Just stitch, seed, and sprinkle, then watch your yard transform into a colorful retreat. Have you ever used a grading rake or one of those other tools to repair your lawn? Then you know how difficult it is to penetrate the soil, how quickly your arms get sore. Plus, you get poor results because those tools can't provide the proper planting depth and soil seed contact.
The unique patent-pending wheel design creates the perfect environment for seed germination. As the tines penetrate the soil, it creates a mounding and loosening of the soil around the rim of an extra wide hole. That extra wide hole will accept the seed very easily. Then when you water, the loose soil falls in around the seed, creating the perfect environment for seed germination.
So stop wasting your time with the wrong tool for the job and let the Grass Stitcher fix your lawn with ease. If you have extensive lawn damage, no problem. Large lawn repairs are a snap. Just purchase an additional head to double the size of your Grass Stitcher for even quicker lawn repairs. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just stitch, seed, and sprinkle. With the Grass Stitcher, it's quick, easy, effective, and you'll love the results. The revolutionary Grass Stitcher, the world's first and only hand tool for fast, effective lawn repairs.